Welcome to a journey where we uncover 17 things garden centers don't want you to know about borax. The commercial horticulture industry has pushed expensive, highly synthesized chemicals. Because our beloved plants are sensitive, living things, they thrive on natural, balanced care rather than harsh proprietary formulas. We are slowly peeling back the layers of agricultural history to reveal breathtaking, forgotten secrets about sodium tetraborate. Historical eradication of agronomic knowledge. Before the boom of synthetic pesticides, agricultural experts routinely recommended borax for foundational farm management. However, because it is an unpatentable, naturally occurring mineral that costs mere pennies, chemical conglomerates had absolutely zero financial incentive to ever promote it. Stop confusing borax with baking soda. A highly destructive misconception in the gardening community is that you can freely swap borax for baking soda to kill common pests. Because adult ants actually do not consume solid food, scattering dry baking soda on the ground is completely bypassed and ignored by the insects. Restore heavily oxidized essential garden tools. When your expensive carbon steel pruners and shovels suffer from rapid oxidation and rust, you do not need to purchase harsh industrial solvents. Mixing borax with citric acid, sourced directly from common lemon juice, miraculously creates a potent, natural rust removal paste. The acid chemically reacts with the rust, while the mildly abrasive borax neutralizes the metal, beautifully revitalizing your neglected tools in just 30 minutes without introducing petroleum into your organic workspace. Chemically neutralize volatile foul compost odors. When a garden compost pile becomes overly wet or compacted, anaerobic bacteria rapidly proliferate, producing rancid, deeply foul odors driven by butyric acid. Because borax is a strong alkaline compound, applying a highly diluted misting serves as an immediate chemical intervention to completely halt these severe nuisance odors purely upon contact. Understand the critical botanical borax distinction. A dangerous point of confusion is treating household borax and commercial boric acid as the same thing. Borax is a naturally mined, hydrated mineral salt perfect for gentle, slow-release soil amendment. Conversely, boric acid is a heavily refined synthetic derivative created with harsh hydrochloric acid. Dissolve crusty salt efflorescence on terracotta. Serious horticulturists frequently battle unsightly, crusty white salt deposits on the exterior of unglazed clay pots, a frustrating condition scientifically known as efflorescence. Submerging these heavily encrusted pots in a solution of hot water and borax gently and beautifully dissolves these complex soluble salts. Suppress topical fungal garden pathogens naturally. Aggressive powdery mildew and rust require a highly specific, slightly acidic environment on the surface of your living leaves to aggressively germinate. Yet, when you apply a highly diluted borax solution as a gentle foliar spray, it subtly alters the leaf's pH to become significantly more alkaline. This alkaline shift creates a deeply hostile environment, completely desiccating existing fungal mycelium and halting the infection without leaving toxic heavy metals behind in the soil. Create a selective creeping Charlie herbicide. Ground ivy, commonly known as creeping Charlie, is notoriously aggressive, yet mid-century research revealed it possesses a highly unique vulnerability to acute boron toxicity. By dissolving exactly 10 ounces of borax into warm water and diluting it to 2.5 gallons of tap water, you create a brilliant selective liquid herbicide. Sprayed directly on the ivy, it causes rapid vascular collapse within weeks. Decode cryptic hollow stem plant symptoms. Because boron acts as a fundamental structural architect within the living plant, a deficiency absolutely does not look like typical yellowing. Instead, it frighteningly manifests as deeply hollow, decaying stems in broccoli or a necrotic rotting known as brown heart in root vegetables. Recognizing these highly specific structural collapses allows you to correctly diagnose profound boron starvation rather than uselessly misdiagnosing the tragedy as a fungal rot. Navigate the dangerous hidden boron leaching trap. Boron is highly water-soluble, meaning heavy spring rainfall rapidly leaches it straight out of sandy soils, completely removing it from the active root zone where plants need it. Execute an immediate miraculous foliar feeding rescue. When you see that your plants are getting really sick from not having boron, putting it in the soil may not work fast enough to save your plants. Plants can take in amounts of food through the tiny holes on their leaves. So spraying a weak borax solution on the leaves of plants that are not doing well can help them, even if their roots are not working properly. Plants like broccoli that are not growing well and have leaves can start to look healthy again and even uncurl their leaves in just one day, which is really amazing. Eradicate sweet-seeking ants permanently from within. Costly synthetic perimeter sprays kill worker ants on contact only, leaving the hidden queen safe and sound underground to breed thousands of replacements in no time. However, dissolving borax into a highly concentrated sugar-water solution creates an irresistible, slow-acting liquid bait. The workers then gorge on the liquid, carry it deep into the nest, and feed it directly to the reproductive queen, permanently collapsing the entire infestation from the inside out through severe internal dehydration. Modify natural baits for destructive carpenter ants. Sugar water is great for your run-of-the-mill sweet ants, but destructive carpenter ants have a much higher protein and lipid focus and will completely ignore a sweet trap. Horticulturists have cleverly altered the delivery mechanism by thoroughly mixing fine borax powder into a protein-rich base, such as household peanut butter. This poisoned protein is greedily gathered by the workers who boldly bear the fatal desiccant deep into their wooden galleries to save you thousands of dollars in commercial treatment. Avoid the indiscriminate toxic agronomic sodium trap. Because this simple mineral solves so many problems, amateur gardeners wrongly assume it is a benign, all-purpose garden tonic. You must always remember its true chemical name, sodium tetraborate. Every single time you apply it directly to the earth, you introduce elemental sodium that relentlessly accumulates in the soil matrix, severely destroying the soil structure and heavily inhibiting vital water uptake for your precious plants. Master the strict mathematics of safe application. You must be very mathematically disciplined in your application of this mineral. The difference between a miraculous recovery of a plant and a permanent toxicity of the soil is razor thin. You need only about 3.2 grams, or about 1/8 of an ounce, to safely treat an average 4x8 foot raised vegetable bed. This tiny amount completely dissolves in boiling water and heavy dilution, making for beautiful, uniform distribution and no lethal hotspots for delicate roots. Enhance fruit quality with pectin cross-linking. Apart from simple fertilization, sufficient boron is a very important chemical cross-linking agent in the complex pectin matrix of the plant cell wall. When tomato cell walls are robustly linked with boron, the skin becomes incredibly elastic, drastically reducing the maddening incidence of fruit splitting after heavy unexpected rain. Unlock the explosive tomato fruit set secret. The most closely guarded agronomic secret of all is the amazing power of borax to stop healthy tomato plants from dropping their bright yellow flowers suddenly. Borax is the absolute chemical driving force for pollen tube extension, physiologically speaking, meaning that without it, internal fertilization simply fails and the flower drops. Dissolving exactly 2 level teaspoons of borax in 1 gallon of warm water and spraying at first flower will guarantee the best pollen viability and will produce a remarkable explosive increase in fruit set. Embracing this forgotten, deeply scientific wisdom brings profound harmony and explosive vitality to creating a garden and a life within. Which of these secrets are you most excited to try this season? Leave a comment below and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.